Hi there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle. Today you will learn what it takes to master the law of vibration and have the ability to hack the universe to manifest the life you desire. I'm sure you've heard the phrase, like attracts like, before. And it's true. The vibrational frequency we emit can significantly impact the reality we experience. Vibration is a frequency that can be measured in everything from sound waves to the movement of atoms and molecules. And just like everything else in the universe, we, as humans, vibrate at a specific frequency. How does this affect our reality? When we're vibrating at a lower frequency, we tend to attract negative experiences and circumstances into our lives. This is because the universe is in a state of disharmony with our inner vibration. It's not matching up. But here's the good news. We can shift our own vibration. And when we do, the universe will naturally adjust and adapt to match our frequency. It's the path of least resistance and how we can start attracting more of what we want into our lives. It may take some time for these shifts to happen, but these laws are always working in our favor. So keeping our vibrations high, no matter what obstacles we face, is vital. Before you know it, we've mastered the law of vibration and hacked the universe. With this knowledge, you become the architect of your own life. Every detail from your home, your bank account, and even the people you surround yourself with is the result of your design. The law of vibration is always working, whether we're conscious of it or not. So the state of our 3D world is a reflection of what our vibrational state has been to this point. But, as we've mentioned before, we have the power to shift our vibration. So how do we do it? Here are some of our top tips to shift your vibration. First, practice gratitude and focus on the positive aspects of your life. Gratitude is one of the quickest ways to bring you back into harmony with the universe. Raising your vibration by engaging in activities that bring you joy and raise your frequency is another effective hack. Some examples of these high vibrational activities include exercising and spending time in nature. Also, watching a funny movie on this channel will raise your vibrational frequency. In fact, if you want to keep your vibrations high, now is a great time to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so videos like this will amplify your manifestation practice. Be especially mindful of who you surround yourself with. We all know those energy vampires that seem to just suck the life and joy out of the room. Do your best to limit your exposure to those people by establishing boundaries, but also make sure you surround yourself with people who elevate your mood. Pets are great for this too. In fact, the vibrational frequency of a cat's purr can help us relax, heal, and come to center. Another fantastic hack to help you raise your vibration is to practice meditation. Keep in mind that when meditating and focusing on your breath, you'll still have thoughts racing in. Simply acknowledge them and let them dissipate so you can focus on keeping your thoughts peaceful. It's very important to remember that shifting our vibration isn't something that happens overnight. It's a process that takes time and consistent effort to hold a higher frequency for long enough for the universe to snap into harmony with us. But the results are worth it. When vibrating at a higher frequency, we naturally attract more positive experiences and circumstances into our lives. We start to see synchronicities and opportunities that we may have previously overlooked. It's like the universe is saying yes to our desires and making it easier for us to manifest what we want. So, what life do you want to create? Remember that you have the power to decide and make it happen. Shifting your vibration and holding it consistently can bring the universe into harmony with your inner world and attract more of what you want. I hope this video has helped shed some light on the power of vibration and how it influences our reality. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.